This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Ford has formed a partnership with South Korean battery manufacturers SK On and EcoPro BM to establish a cathode manufacturing facility in Quebec, Canada, investing 1.2 billion Canadian dollars or 890 million US dollars. The newly announced factory will be situated in Bécancour, Quebec, and is scheduled to commence production in the first half of 2026. The production capacity is projected to reach up to 45,000 tons of cathode active materials per year. The facility will supply battery material for Ford's future electric vehicles. The Inflation Reduction Act, passed in August of 2022, has spurred the growth of battery factories in the US by offering tax credits for clean energy production. Ford and SK On have already committed nearly $15 billion to 3 US battery cell manufacturing plants, aiming for a combined annual capacity of 164 gigawatt hours. To qualify for the Inflation Reduction Act's EV tax credit, which provides consumers $7,500, Ford is seeking a stable battery material supply. The Act mandates that by 2024, 60% of battery component value must be produced or assembled in North America for a $3,750 tax credit. This requirement will rise to 100% in 2029. To secure the remaining credit, 50% of the critical materials values must originate from the US or a free trade agreement country in 2024, increasing to 80% from 2027 to 2032. Other manufacturers are also enhancing battery material supplies. General Motors recently invested in Mitra Chem, a startup developing iron-based cathode materials, and Tesla plans to construct a lithium refinery plant in Texas. The construction of the facility is already underway on a sprawling 280,000 square meter site. The building, spanning 6 floors, will not only create around 345 new jobs, including roles for engineers, sales and service professionals, and co-op positions for students, but it will also facilitate research and development efforts. EcoPro will manufacture cathode active materials, particularly high-quality nickel cobalt manganese, while focusing on R&D to improve battery safety, performance, productivity, and reduce environmental impact. After finalizing the deal, EcoPro Cam Canada will manage the facility's day-to-day operations, with SK On and Ford becoming investors. SK On's US subsidiary, SK Battery America, will also utilize the cathode materials. It has invested $2.6 billion in 2 manufacturing plants in Georgia, and together with Hyundai, expect to achieve an annual production capacity exceeding 180 gigawatt hours in the US post-2025. SK On's chief commercial officer noted that the cathode joint venture will ensure a stable supply of battery raw materials for all 3 companies in North America. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.